Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to download Incredibox Sprunki for iOS and Android. So this is a really cool Incredibox mod. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and go to this website. It's called hexmods.com and it has like all these modded apps and stuff. So let me just show you guys the site. So I'm just going to go to the search bar and type in Incredibox, and as you can see it says Incredibox Sprunki. So this is the mobile version guys, so just go ahead and press on it and wait for it to download. So I'm just going to let it download here, you can see. Now before we can get it installed onto our device, we do have to do a verification, which is a one-time process where we have to download some apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the real app store. So as you can see, it says right here, complete 2 free apps to finish installing. So we got 4 apps to choose from. You just gotta do 2 of them, but the reason that people generally do not do well during this process is they forget that they have to read the instructions below each app and complete those. So TikTok, run for 30 seconds, Pound, reach level 10, WGT Golf, reach level 10. So just press tap to install and it'll bring you straight to the app store, and then you just gotta download the app. You're gonna be all set. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but that's how you get Incredibox Sprunki. This is a one-time process based on your IP, so make sure you complete this verification guys and you should install it onto your device. So yeah, it's super fun to play guys. I'm not really interested in like PCs and stuff, so I was just looking for a way to download it on my phone, and this site guys is so. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, and I'm not really trying to be like paying for stuff, but yeah, this is super crazy. It's fully updated guys, so just download 2 of the apps and make sure you read the instructions below each app. This is the biggest reason people mess up. They forget to read them. So